In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson EcoTank ET 2803 printer that is printing the blank pages, or if it's not printing complete 4 colors, that means it needs printhead cleaning. To remove the printhead jam, we can do the power cleaning option. In this option, it takes a lot of ink, so you make sure you have at least 30% ink in the ink tank. Only then it will perform properly. Otherwise it won't work because ink is low. Go to the printer control panel. On the control panel we have to click on the home button, go to the settings, select maintenance, scroll ahead and look for the power cleaning option. So it will give some information. You can just click on the proceed, agree with that, because it's going to take at least 12 hours for the print quality to improve, so we agree for that. Now the ink inside the tubes will be flushed into the maintenance box, so that's okay. Press and hold this button for 5 seconds to start the power cleaning. This usually takes 10 to 11 minutes. So we have just completed the power cleaning, and if we look at the ink tank, it will show us how much ink is used in the power cleaning. So we can see black ink is used mostly in this process, whereas the color ink is not used that much. So if you don't want to waste your ink, you should do the manual printhead cleaning, and if you just don't know how to do that, you can watch my video, or you can do the power cleaning and make sure you have more ink to fill in the ink tank. Hopefully it will help you. Thanks for watching.